Yo, so that was me and my brother DJ Duppy in New York for Mighty Crown's last performance in New York. If you know reggae music, you just had to be there. But yeah, I was in New York for about 2 nights. Didn't get that many shots that I really wanted to get, but I did get some stuff, so I was able to make something out of it. But just wanted to outro the video. I wanted to also ask if you guys like this kind of content. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoy this cinematic type footage. But yeah, just wanted to outro. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing and liking. Please leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.